130 and 40 and 50 and hot dogs. A dollar.
Yeah. But we're in Jamaica, though.
Yeah, we're in Jamaica. It's
Thank
called
you.
Ocean City, New Jersey, Jamaica #1, free stay 2.
We're in room 103.
I know.
I just got my dinner here, so I'm going to have to cut you short.
Okay.
But Ocean City, New Jersey is a lot closer to our house than Jamaica. Ocean City, New Jersey is in our country. Jamaica is its own country. We're very far. There's like an ocean that separates our country from Jamaica. So we're very far away from home. That's why I have to spend an awful long time in an airport tomorrow, okay? You going to be good tomorrow? And help your sister?
I really want my sister to be here with me.
I know. I wish she was here too. I hope she feels better, okay? You going to help her out tomorrow?
Yeah. But
Okay.
if I don't have a little sister with me,
You're not going to get a new sister.
what if I don't have a little sister with me?
Your little sister, I'm sorry. Your little
If I
sister.
don't have a sister with me, I don't have time to make a wish with my sister. I have to make a wish with my sister.
You make a wish on a star?
Yes, and I always make a wish.
Or maybe we get home and we give her some food. Maybe we go out on the balcony and we'll make a wish on a star. Good
Where's
idea?
The balcony?
The balcony, where the chairs are at our room, outside. Near where the chairs are at, where we saw the ants the other day? Okay. All right, ready to eat? Okay, let's eat.